Frustrated because your printer is showing offline on Windows 11 and 10? Don't worry, we have got the solution. In this video, we will walk you through simple and effective steps to fix the printer offline issue. From checking hardware connection to tweaking settings, we have got all the troubleshooting tips you need. Get ready to get your printer back on track and start producing those documents again hassle-free. Watch now and say goodbye to printer problems. Step 1. Ensure the printer is powered on and connected to your computer. Step 2. Check the printer physical connection to the computer or network. Step 3. In Windows 11 or 10, open settings from the Start menu. Step 4. Go to Devices and select Printers and Scanners. Step 5. Locate your printer, right-click on it and choose See What's Printing. Step 6. In the printing queue window, click on Printer in the top menu and uncheck Use Printer Offline if it's selected. Step 7. If the issue persists, restart the Print Spoiler service. Open the Run dialog window plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. Locate Print Spoiler, right-click on it and select Restart. Step 8. Reboot your computer and try printing again. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling the printer drivers.